हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम नितिन और मैं आप लोगों को आज पढ़ाऊंगा वैदिक एज। ठीक है। तो अगर हम वैदिक एज के टाइम पीरियड के बारे में बात करते हैं तो 1500 से लेकर 600 बीसी इसका टाइम पीरियड होता है। वैदिक एज को दो पार्ट में बांटा गया है। एक अर्ली वैदिक है जिसका टाइम पीरियड है 1500 से लेकर 1000 बीसी, और लेटर वैदिक है जिसका टाइम पीरियड है 1000 से 600 बीसी। जो अर्ली वैदिक है उसको हम पेस्टोरल कम्युनिटी कहते हैं। देखो दोस्त, एक है बुगास कोई इंस्क्रिप्शन वो जो कि तुर्की में है, और इट मैंशन नेम एज सच एज इंदिरा वरुण, सिमिलर साउंडिंग वर्ड्स जैसे कि बुगास को इंस्क्रिप्शन में भ्रता मीन्स ब्रदर, सप्ता मीन्स सेवन, अंडर मीन्स अंडर। मतलब जब बुगास कोई इंस्क्रिप्शन और यहाँ के वेदों को देखा गया तो कुछ सिमिलर वर्ड मिला और उससे डिकॉर्ड किया गया कि हम लोग सेंट्रल एशिया से यहाँ पर आए हैं। ठीक है, यहाँ पर लिखा भी हुआ है, इट इज़ बिलीव्ड दैट आर्यंस अराइव्ड फ्रॉम सेंट्रल एशिया where one group migrated from Turkey towards Europe and other came towards India। और जो आर्यंस का लैंग्वेज था वो संस्कृत था, और आर्यंस आर कंसिडर्ड टू हैव कोडिफाइड द वेदास। ठीक है, अब हम वेदास के बारे में पढ़ते हैं। तो देयर आर फोर वेदास, ऋंग वेदा, साम वेदा, अजुर्वेदा और अथर्ववेदा। ओल्डेस्ट टेक्स्टा जो है वो है कंपाइल्ड ड्यूरिंग जेंट अवेस्टा ईरान में। इसका मीनिंग होता है नॉलेज, और दे वेयर ऑरली पास श्रुति फ्रॉम वन जनरेशन टू अनदर। अपुरसिया, इट इज़ नॉट क्रिएटेड बाय मैन बट गिफ्टेड बाय गॉड। अपुरसिया। बाल गंगाधर तिलक, ही compiled the book The Arctic Home in the Vedas. He said all Indians are Aryans. Subdivision of Vedas. Samhita, Brahmans, Arthayak, Upanishad. Samhita means collection of hymns, Sukta. Brahmans means sacrifice and rituals. Arnayaka means hermits, those who lived in jungles. Upanishad means bhakti, talks about bhakti marga. Ring Veda. It was the first Veda to be compiled. It is made of 10 mandalas. It has the oldest and largest collection of Sanskrit hymns. Total 1028 hymns verses. 10,600 hymns recited by Hotri. Deities Indra, Agni, Vishnu and Varuna. Female deities Aditi and Usha, goddess of dawn. Gayatri Mantra was written by sage Vishwamitra for goddess Savitri, mentioned in third mandala. Mandala number 2 to 7 were created first. 10th mandala mentioned Purush considered a cosmic being. Purush माउथ से ब्राह्मण, आम से क्षत्रिय, थाई से वैश्या और फीट से शूद्रा। नाइन्थ मंडला मेंशन लॉर्ड ऑफ सोमा, लॉर्ड ऑफ प्लांट्स एंड सोमरस इज एनर्जी ड्रिंक्स। These four varnas are believed to have emerged from different parts of Purusha. Okay, and Upanishad are also known as Vedanta and of Vedas. Total 108 Upanishad traditionally. So this is our Ring Veda and Sam Veda. So it is the oldest book on music. It consists of chanting melodies. It is composed of two Upanishads, Chandogya and Kena. Ajurveda. It is the collection of mantras, ritual and sacrifice. It is divided into two sections. Sukla meaning white contains Satpat Brahman. Krishna means black. Jabalo Upanishad is a part of Ajurveda. Important Upanishad. Prihada Arnayak. Oldest Upanishad. Katha contains story of Nachiketa and Ama, god of death. Atharvaveda, Veda of magic, formulas to ward of evil spirit and disease, black magic. It is divided into 20 khandas. Important Upanishad of Atharvaveda. Mundaka Upanishad, Satyam Jayate taken from here. Maha Upanishad, Vasudeva Kutumbhakam, meaning the whole world is one family, taken from chapter 6 of Maha Upanishad. Mandukya Upanishad, 6 school of philosophy propounded by Samakhya, oldest of all, Kapila, Nyaya, Gautam, scientific approach. Vesiksha, Kannada, metaphysics. Kannada proposed that all substances are composed of individual particles called Parmanu. Yoga, Patanjali. Uttar Mimamsa, Badrayana, and Purva Mimamsa, Jaimini. Vedants, they are tools to understand Vedas. They are philosophical teaching of Upanishad. They are total 6 Vedants. Shiksha means study of phonetics, Kalpa means study of practice, Vyakaran means study of grammar, Nirukta means study of etymology, Jyoti means study of light, Chanda means study of poetic matters. Early Vedic age Ring Veda. Mention of Himavanta, Himalaya and Manjuvati Hindu coast in Rigveda. Mention of Sapt Sindhu in Rigveda. Okay, and then in Indus old name is Sindhu, Jhelum old name is Bitasa, Chinab old name is Askini, Ravi old name is Parusani, Vyas old name is Vipasa, Satlaj old name is Satundri, Saraswati old name is Yamathika river. Battle of Ten Kings. Battle of Ten Kings, the Saranja Yudh mentioned in the 7th mandala of Rigveda between Bharat tribe leader Sudas versus Ten Kings, won by Bharata tribe. It was fought on the bank of Parusani Ravi River. Society. The society was divided into four Varnas. Varna system was not hereditary but based on profession. Child marriage was not prevalent. Widow remarriage Yogya was allowed. Society. The condition of women was good. Cow Aghanya meaning sacred. Cow was considered as wealth decider, government wealthy person. Gavesti better of for cows. Polity elective monarchy. Sabha community of privilege. Samiti community of common people. Vidhata community for religious purpose. Women could participate in both Sabha and Samiti. Ranking of officials. Purohit means priest. Senani means army chief. Gramini means place head. कुल्ला कुल्ला ब्राह्मण कुल्ला ग्रामा विसा जन्ना राष्ट्र religion the worship nature naturalistic polytheism and no animals were worshipped they did not worship any idol they performed sacrificial prayers Indra Purandar, destroyer of what? Lord of Polo, Prithvi, Agni, intermediary between human and god, Soma, Vayu, Rudra, protector of cattle, Aditi, mother of Indra, Savitri, Gayatri mantra is dedicated to her pottery. Also, black and red were color pottery were used. So this is our Vedic age and this is early Vedic age. I hope you will understand it. Now we will cover later Vedic period. So the later Vedic time period is 1000 to 600 BC. Other three Vedas are compiled. Ganga, Yamuna, Doab. Aryans expanded from Punjab to western Uttar Pradesh, upper portion Kuru, middle part Panchal. Iron was used for the first time. Toward the later Vedic period, they shipped from Doab area to eastern UP. Okay, and expansion was possible due to iron weapons plus horses. Krishna Ayas Syam Ayas black metal. Irons means metals, agriculture. It was a cheap means of livelihood. Kings also did manual labor in the field. Vrihi means rice, Godma means wheat, Awa means barley, Dhanya means grains and cereals. Political organization. The political organization became centralized. Sabha dominated by Brahmins. Women participate not allowed now. Samiti same as before early Vedic period. Vidhata disappeared during later Vedic period. Society. Vada system. Brahmins perform ritual and sacrifice. Kshatriya participate in war and protect people. Vaisya conduct trade and Shudra did manual work. Condition of women deteriorated. Gotra system emerged and ashram mentioned in Jabla Upanishad. Brahmachari first phase of life, Grihastha second phase of life, Vanaprastha third phase of life, and Sannyasa fourth phase of life. Marriage. Anulom Vibha, boy is from higher caste and girl is from lower caste. Pratilom Vibha, girl is from higher caste and boy is from lower caste. 8 types of marriage were there. Brahma, marriage within same varnas with Vedic rituals. Gandharva Vibha, love marriage. Dev Vibha, father donated his daughter to priest as Dakshina. Arsa Vibha, token bride price of cow and bull were given. Prajapati Vibha, marriage without dowry. Asur Vibha, marriage by purchase. Rakshas Vibha, marriage by abduction. Pesaj Vibha. In this type of marriage, a girl who is not in her senses is forcibly married off. Religion. Other gods like Rudra gained more importance while Indra and Agni lost their importance. Kusan, god of cattle, came to be regarded as god of Sudras. Prajapati, creator of universe, idol worshipped, gained importance. Animal sacrifice increased during this period and different kind of ajnas were performed. Aswamedh, Ajna, Rajaseva and Vajpaya. Pottery. Grey colored pottery were seen. Early Vedic period and later Vedic period. Early Vedic period pastoral community, later Vedic period agriculture. Early Vedic period better women condition, later Vedic period condition of women deteriorated. Early Vedic period Varna system was based on profession and was not rigid. Varna system became hereditary and rigid. Early Vedic period no idol worship, later Vedic period. Idol worship started. Early Vedic period, Ring Veda was compiled during this period, later Vedic period. Sam Veda, Ajur Veda and Athar Veda were compiled during this period. So this is your Vedic age, my friend. I hope you understand it. So all of our we are reading this Vedic is the conclusion of the Vedic period is only one, that is there is divided into two parts. First is your early Vedic period. The time period is 1500 to 1000 and then later Vedic period. The time period is 1000 to 600. Okay? And in the early Vedic period, you will see better women condition, better society, pastoral community. Everything is good. And in the later Vedic period, you will see a lot of differences in society, rich, poor, and there are a lot of discrimination. So overall, my friend, we are observing it, and this is your life. Okay, so enjoy it and enjoy it.